Hello there, McKnox here. And if you clicked on this link, that either you're interested in learning to crochet or perhaps you're interested in what I do, which is making amigurumi, like this cute little jellyfish. This will be my first tutorial on this channel, so look for that. But of course, we're going to need supplies. This is an introductory video to what you're going to need. Most importantly, of course, is your hook. Now, I prefer the silicone hooks. They're very comfortable, very cheap, easy to find. You can buy them at your local craft store. You can buy them online. This one here is an impression for your thumb. I personally like to hold my hook like this because I feel like it gives me the most control. Other people hold it this way or this way. This, unfortunately, is something you're going to have to figure out for yourself as you go along. Then, of course, you're going to need scissors. A smaller pair may be more suitable to you. And, let's not forget, tapestry needles. You can get these at Walmart. I recommend getting blunt-ended needles. Regular needles can break and they're harder to thread. And of course, you'll poke yourself, but you can still use them. Then, of course, if you're going to make stuffed animals, you're going to need stuffing. Now, I get polyfill stuffing. It's really cheap. I make a lot of stuffed animals, so I buy the 20-pound box off Amazon for like $60. It'll last you forever. And then, of course, you're going to need your yarn. Now, I use acrylic yarn. I use 4 weight most of the time for my amigurumi. 4 weight is kind of the standard size. You can find shelves of it at your local store. The only thing I don't recommend, if you look right here, is this. Do not use a 5.5mm hook. Don't use it for your stuffies. There's a good reason for that. If you use a 5.5 with a 4 weight yarn, it's going to make your stitches very big. So what I recommend instead is using a hook that's 0.5mm smaller than your weight size. So our yarn weight is 4. We use a 3.5 hook. This I find gives you the best results. It will of course sometimes vary depending on the yarn, but most of the time this works pretty well. Now, also, if you're going to do amigurumi, you might want to consider getting yourself some eye pins. These are pretty cheap. You can get them off Amazon. You can get so many different types. I have tons of eye pins, all of which I use depending on my project. And of course, the eye box, which will come with your eye pin. So that's it. That's all you really need. If you're interested in more, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.